So look at this. It should have for 2 more whistles. Now flatten this out on this lid. Goes inside. The kebab looks just turn it around. It has formed a perfect kebab like this. Shami kebab is a much loved dish and everybody loves to eat it. It goes very well with burgers as well. It is an authentic dish to go along well with cocktails and finger food too. So learn to make Shami kebabs and make it in your own kitchen. So I would love to teach you how to make Shami kebab in a very easy recipe. So I'm all set to make Shami kebabs right now. So I have kept all the ingredients ready in a very sorted way, because it becomes easier this way if we keep all the ingredients ready. We don't have to run around looking for this and that at the last moment. Dried red chilies, around 5 to 6, a few pods of garlic, few cloves of garlic over here. We have cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. We have green chilies. We have coriander seeds, around 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. We have black peppercorns. We have 1-inch cinnamon stick. We have around 8 to 9 cloves. We have this cardamom, 3 cardamoms. We have some star anise. I have cut it off, cut all the flowers of the star anise, the petals, and I have kept it like this. And we have 2 inches of ginger over here. Along with this, I have some turmeric powder and some salt and 1 roughly chopped onion soaked for 4 hours. This is chickpea. So chickpea dal I have, or chana dal. So this I have to soak for at least 3 hours till it becomes a little soft. Then we have a bowl of chicken. So my chicken has bones in it. It's not boneless chicken. I'll take a pressure cooker over here and I'll add the chicken into it. All the chickpea goes inside. The Shami kebab dish is based on the freshness of chickpea and chicken. I'll add the peppercorns, the cinnamon stick, the cardamoms, cloves and everything into this. Coriander seeds, the green chilies, cumin seeds, garlic pods, the red chilies, the ginger, everything goes inside. Now goes my roughly chopped onion. To this I'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. To this I'll add 1 whole glass of water. So here goes another glass. So 2 glasses of water we can add to this. Give it a good mix. So we'll first keep it for 2 whistles. So we need to actually cook it total for 4 whistles. But right now we'll do it only for 2 whistles. Open the cooker, shred the chicken meat, again add it back into the cooker, and without bones we'll again boil it for 2 more whistles. So total it will be 4 whistles. So after 2 whistles I have removed my pressure cooker from the stove and I'll open this. So I have shredded all the chicken. So I'll add all the shredded chicken now into the pressure cooker once again. Cook it for 2 more whistles because the chickpeas have not actually still not become soft. So I want it really soft, so that later on everything would be mashed together and it will be further made into kebabs. So I'll put this back, the lid back, and let it cook for 2 more whistles. Now if you are using chicken mince, you don't have to do all this procedure. You can just cook the chicken mince along with all the masalas we put for 4 whistles directly. But the chicken with bones tastes more better than the chicken mince. So we are straining all the chicken and the dal which has been cooked. We are removing all of the chilies and the whole masalas and keeping it separately, and we're straining out all the water from this, and we we'll add it to a separate plate like this. So strain it completely because we don't need any moisture in this, so it should not be too moist. We can use this water into making any kind of biryani, rice and all that. So in rice this water tastes really good, or you can use it in any soup, which if you're making any soup, we can even use this water. It tastes really amazing. This tastes really amazing. Now what we'll do is we'll cool this down a bit now, and we'll try to mash this with a masher like this. So now at this stage we'll be adding this into a blender and we'll be blending it into a smooth paste. Now at this stage, if you want to adjust the salt and anything, so you can do that. You can add one more spoon of red chili powder. Add all of this into a blender, but it should be cooled down. Yeah, so we'll start making our kebabs. Kept this the mixture of the chicken mince paste in the fridge for around half an hour. So now it has become really firm. So it should become like this, it should be really firm. We'll be shallow frying it, so we'll add just around 2 tablespoons of oil. I have kept some all-purpose flour, some beaten eggs, a lid over here. So we'll shape it according to the lid. So any lid you have of any bottle of this shape, on this lid you can apply a little bit of oil first. So I'm applying a little oil, greasing it actually. To the chicken mince, mix this with some all-purpose flour. Flatten this out on this lid of the bottle, that is the mold. Now remove this from the lid like this. See, look at this. It has formed a perfect kebab like this. Now dip it into your egg properly and place it in your pan for frying. So again I'll show you how to do it. So this is how you can make perfect Shami kebabs, which you actually eat it in the hotels. So keep the pan on a low flame and cook it so that it cooks very well on both the sides. It should become really golden brown in color. Now look at this, it has fried on one side. We'll just turn it around and let it fry on the other side too. It has become really beautiful. It's looking so pretty. This is how it should look. So now look, our kebabs are fried, so we can remove it out. So look at our kebabs, how amazing they are looking. You can even make Shami kebab burgers also. You can store this, you can make patties like this and store it in the refrigerator, and only when you require it, whenever you feel like eating it, you can remove it from the fridge and fry it and have it whenever you feel like. So look at this, it should have a chunky texture like this. It should be a little fatter in density, so that's why we were using the lid as a mold, and it also brings a perfect shape to the entire kebab. The entire kebab looks of the same shape. So decorate your Shami kebabs with onion rings like this and have it with your family and friends whenever you feel like.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.